What is up? What is up? What is up, my B Roots Army? This is B Roots, and I'm here again with another tutorial about cryptocurrency, where I teach it to you like a kindergarten child learning their ABCs. And if you're lucky, I'll teach it to you like you're learning your 1, 2, 3s. So how's it going, everybody? This is my birthday special. Today is my birthday. So happy birthday to B Roots. But today I decided to do a video for you. My birthday present to me is to give you something to learn. Why not? Because this is the service that I provide to you for free. There are many other YouTubers out there that make you pay for this information, and I'm giving it to you for free because I am truly for the people, and that's why you come to me. So, what are we going to learn today? Every single day, I get somebody message me on Twitter. If you don't have me on Twitter, it's some good conversations going on. It's at IMBRoots. I have people message me on YouTube, Facebook. Once again, IMBRoots on Facebook. And they're constantly asking me, B Roots, how do you find these coins? I've been following your videos, and every coin that you talked about has skyrocketed to the top, and I've got big gains. But how do I find these coins? Well, I'm going to teach you what I do. Once again, as usual, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I do. Whether you decide to copy it from me, whether you decide to tweak it a little bit and find your own way to do things that you want to do, you can do however you want to do it, but I'm going to give you this video and show you what I do. So first things first, let's get to the point. I'm just going to get into it real quick. We're going to try to keep this under 15, maybe 20 minutes tops, because it's not hard. I mean, I learned this very fast. It's not hard. I've been in the game for 3 years, but learning it is not hard. So first, you want to go to coinmarketcap.com. If you go down below, you can see I've got the links down below. So you just go on coinmarketcap.com, and it's going to show you this amazing homepage. And it's going to show you everything about the coins, the tokens that's out there. What I like to do is split this conversation right now into two different types of investors. You have day trading investors, and you have long-term investors. So let's start off with the day traders, because I'm not a day trader, but I know how you guys work if you're a day trader. So as a day trader, you never, ever, ever want to buy high. You always want to buy low and sell high. That's the number one rule of flipping things, whether it's money, whether it's cars, whether it's houses. You buy low and you sell high. So when you go on his website, you can switch it between coins. So I go coins, top 100 coins. You can go tokens, top 100 tokens, and you can see what's on top. Oh, look at that! Ooh, Tron has taken over EOS. Man. Or maybe it's always been taken over. I really haven't looked at tokens that much lately, but wow, didn't realize that. Anyways, so you go to the coins. Let's say, hey, B Roots, I want to buy and day trade Bitcoin. Now, keep in mind, no matter what you have, it doesn't care if you have $100 or you got $1,000 or you got $10,000 to work with. You want the most volatile coin there's going to be so you can make the most amount of money. That's going to be Bitcoin. A lot of people don't realize that, oh, but I don't have $15,000. That's okay. You don't have to have $15,000 to do that. You can have rather $1,000 or $1,100. What you're looking at is this change of percentage right here. You can see here, Bitcoin for the 24 hours is down 0.13. But I'm just going to give you an example. So when we go to the graph here, let me bring that up. This is the graph. So as you scroll your mouse over, you can see the volatility of it. So this is the lifetime of Bitcoin. We want to go, let's say, 1 month. Let's say 7 days. Look at the volatility of that. December 30th, 14,000. December 31st, 12,000. So you probably want to buy in that 12,000 mark. Like, look at this. Like, look at it's going down, 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 down. It's going to hit a low, but you need to buy anywhere in here. So you see that low, and you're like, okay, well, it's going over for 14, 12, 13, 14, 13. Sitting at 13, goes up to 15, goes up to down to 14, 15, 14, 15. So you can see that 15, 14, that's it's been sitting there for a little while. That's what you call kind of like the trading line. If it goes down to 13 and 12, you probably want to buy in right around there. See how this is low, 12, 13, 12, 13. But, you get over here, it's like 14, 15, 14, 15. Then it goes down to 12, 13, 12, 13. And then it goes back up to 15 again. So anytime Bitcoin goes down to 12 or 13, you probably want to buy in with whatever you want to do. And when it goes up to 15, you can sell. And you just made a profit. That easy. You could do that with any coin, but you have to look at the graphs and you have to scroll and you kind of look at it. If I go to the month, it went down to 11. This is kind of when it shot up. But if you scroll all the way over, you're looking at 16, 17, 16, 17, like 18. Like these are all-time highs for Bitcoin. You don't want to buy then. Oh, it's going down. All right, 13, 14, 13, 16, like that 13. If I saw that 13 or that 12 right there, I'm like, I'm in. I'm buying. So you buy in and you wait till it shoots up. Literally the next day it goes up to 15. Well, sell. That easy. So that's just one. You can do it on Bitcoin. You're day trading. You can do that with any coin. If you're risky, now I'm talking risky, you can go to the next 100. So let's start at 100 coins. You go to the next 100. Now, as a beginner, this is how a lot of people take advantage of beginners. As a beginner, you're always looking for the cheapest coin, and you're looking for something that's, something cheap, and I want the next Bitcoin. So when you scroll down here and you're looking at look at all these positives, like I don't even know what some of these coins are. I've never even heard of them, but everyone that's getting into the market now are buying these coins. So what you want to do? What you want to do is you find one in the negative, like this right here, Pure Plays. Let's see what that's working with. Look at this. This is so up and down. 0.00007. And it goes all the way up to 0.001. Like, that's a big swing right there. 0.00009, and it goes up to 0.001. You're going to make just as much as you would on that Bitcoin. You're just working with smaller denominations. So read these graphs and just look at the ups and downs. You want to find a line to where it trades at the most, and then you want to go in after the low, and you try to want to play that game to go after the low. Now, that's risky. That's risky business. I tell people I'm in it for the long term, so that's where we get the long-term investors. So how do this is the way I do things. How do I find good coins to invest in? Number one, I'm going to look here at the circulating supply and the price. I like to compare things. So if I scroll down here and I look at Cardano, first thing I'm going to look at is the circulating supply, and I'm going to compare it with another one. So Cardano is trading at $1.12. The circulating supply is 25 billion. And I'll look at, well, what happens right now? The market cap for that is 28 million. If this thing makes it big, just as big as Ripple, Can I make money off of that? Well, this one's 38 billion, which is 13 more billion than Cardano, and it's trading at $3.15. So that means this has room to grow at least 3 times. So you can make at least 3 times on your money just by going that way. Now, you might get some real serious investors saying that's not the way to do it, but in theory, that's how you make money. And that's how I pick my coins. Once again, buy low, sell high. Look at this, 10%. It's down 10%. So let's look at the day on this one. I'm going to go here. We're going to go to 1 day and look at it. It was at $1.24, and it's slowly going down. It went to $1.04. So this is a buying opportunity for Cardano right now, I believe. It's still at an all-time high, but look how it's slowly going down. How low will it go, really? That's what we're looking at. If you look at a 7-day, it's going up, actually. But I think Cardano is on a move right now. So as you're starting to see it creep up, you probably want to buy in and buy some more. If you're already in Cardano, this is the time to buy more because it's went up and then it's going back down. So that's why I recommend looking at these charts and seeing, hey, when do I get in? Well, if you're following these charts on a consistent basis and you're seeing here, let's go view all real quick. And when I go to view all, it shows you my 1 hour, my 24 hour, my 7-day. Look at Stellar. 1 hour is down 4%. 24 hours down 20%. But in the last 7 days, it's up 200%. Look at Tron. Tron's up 628%. If you watch my video, you'd be making big money right now by looking at that. So that's good things. But we're looking for a sleeper. So what I like to call a sleeper, I like to call it a sleeping giant. And actually, Tron just woke up. So let me give you an example of a sleeping giant. Let's do 1 month. Actually, let's do 3 months. Look at this. Notice how it's just stagnant. People truly believed in this product. They were just holding. They weren't selling off. They weren't increasing the price. They were just holding. And it was just sitting there. This is a pure example of a sleeping giant. He's sleeping. He's not doing anything crazy. He might go up a couple cents. He might go down a couple cents, but he just keeps sitting at that like 0.002. And then, boom, sleeping giant starting to awake, and he's waking up. 4 cents, 5 cents, 4 cents, 5. He's starting to wake up, and then he kind of goes back to sleep a little bit. And then, boom, he just wakes up and just booms off. You can actually do this for day trading. The only thing is most day trading, they can't be patient from October 6th to December 15th of not doing anything. But this is how you figure out, hey, when can I get in somewhere and just like find that next big coin? Tron is a sleeping giant, and he just woke up for 1 year. Look at that. From September, he was just sitting there. And then all of a sudden, boom, he starts waking up and it just starts going up. So when you see an even line like this is good because it's not volatile. It's not going up. People aren't pumping and dumping, putting money into it and then dumping their money out of it, and putting money into it and dumping their money out of it. These are people holding long term and saying, we believe in this project, and then it's going to slowly go up. So when I see this long curve, this makes me like, oh, what is Tron? So I see this all this time, and I was like, what is Tron? It's just sitting here. It's not going up, but it's not going down, which is a good thing. Next thing I do is I go to the website. Main thing is if it has a good website, most likely it's professional. So I look at this. I've got moving parts and I can't build this website. This is a really good website. So as I scroll down, it little teaches you about it. It looks good. As seen on Forbes and Consumer Technology. And I'm like, all right, that's good. And I might click into it and see what I click into Forbes and see the article it has on Forbes. I'm like, all right, it's legit. It's actually www.forbes.com. It's a secure network. It's legit. It's a legit article. Keep scrolling down. I read a little bit about it, and I see Justin Sun. I'm like, sounds familiar. Justin Sun graduated from the University of Pennsylvania. Okay. He used to be with Ripple. Okay. Well, Ripple's going up somewhere right now. He's the founder of the Paywall app. I'm like, wow. Okay, he's a Forbes Asia 30 under 30. Like, I'm looking at this. I'm like, this is the CEO. This guy is big stuff. Not anyone can just graduate from the University of Penn. Like, that's good stuff. So I'm scrolling, and I look at the team, and I'm like, I read about the team, and I'm like, that's a big team. And he got some partners, and I'm like, all right, this has some potential. Let me go back to the graph. Why is it just sitting here? Most likely there's no major news yet. They're probably working on their technology. So I'm going to buy a big in Tron, which is what I did. I've got 15,000 coins in Tron, but I mean, that's giving an example of this is something I want to go with. So I went with Tron, and now the sleeping giant has awoke. Same thing you should do. Let's go back to coins. Another one I like right now, Electroneum. Right now, this is a sleeping giant to get into. Let me give you, let's see here, 3 months. Actually, did Electroneum wake up today? Oh, no, not really. So you look at this. It just goes 8 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents. It's just sitting there. Let's go 1 month. 10 cents, 9 cents. No, so it had a little big spike in the beginning because this is about when it first started. We go to 3 months. You know, it was real high, and it kind of sold off, and it kind of sat there. And then it's like kind of chilling at the 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, you know, like 7 days. It's just kind of, this one goes up and down, but it's hovering at 8 cents. I mean, this is a sleeping giant. One day, look at this, 8 cents. Doesn't really leave 8 cents much. This is a sleeping giant. So I'm like, okay, that's just a bunch of the same 8 cents, 7 cents. It's not really doing much, but that's a good thing because people are holding Electroneum. They're not selling it off. They're not trying to make a bunch of money and going up and down, pumping money into it and dumping money out of it and day trading. These are people holding long term. So let me go to the website. Once again, same thing. Well, you got coins going crazy. That looks good. Oh, look. You already got stuff going to the app store. They've already been applied to the app store, and they're already on Android. That's good things. They've got news articles. They've got an active Twitter account. Look, 371 likes, 183 reposts. Yahoo, they're on Yahoo. Bloomberg, they're on Bloomberg. They've got an own app right now. They sold out their token sale. These are all different types of things that you would look into. Then you look at their team. They actually have a LinkedIn account. Looks like a legit company. Keep scrolling down, you read up about them. So when you do that, and you wonder why they're just hovering at 8 cents, because they're working on their technology. This is a sleeping giant. So if you're looking for the next sleeping giant, I'd probably watch my Electroneum video and figure out how to get an Electroneum. That's how you find the next sleeping giant. These are how you find your coins. You go on CoinMarketCap and you do your research on each and all of these coins and figure out why you're looking for that sleeping giant. Whether it's $398 and it's just sitting it's just hovering at a certain amount, that's a good thing. Volatility is for day traders. Now, don't get me wrong. Bitcoin, I always say you want to at least go up to 1 Bitcoin and try to aim to get 1 Bitcoin, because I do believe Bitcoin will be, $50,000, $60,000. So you can day trade up yourself till you get 1 Bitcoin, or you can just hold long and just accept for the best. So there it is, everybody. I just want to give a quick little video on how I find coins. CoinMarketCap is the best way to find out. You get the graphs, you get the 1 day, you get the 7 day, you get to see how your coins are doing. You can even input to see how you're doing as a whole with all your coins. So it's a very, 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 very good site. You can watch the market cap of all the coins and see how they're doing. Right now, we're at $761 trillion invested in cryptocurrencies. So I got to get out of here. It is my birthday, so I'm going to go enjoy my day and my weekend. And I'll try to answer questions. Can't promise you over the weekend because, it is my birthday weekend, so I am celebrating it. But go ahead and ask if you do have the questions. I will get back to you, whether it's in a couple of days or whether someone from the B Roots community will answer it for you. But I just have one request for my birthday. Can we try to get 500 happy birthday B Roots comments? That's all I'm asking. At least 500. I'll be really happy if you get to 1,000, but I'm going to try to be realistic. 500 is all I ask. So thank you very much. I do have some quick news. Binance is down. They're the number one largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. However, they are down for new users. You can click on the link below, and I can show you how to bypass that. Not necessarily bypass it, but get another cryptocurrency. Always have backups. So click on the link. Kucoin, my Kucoin link down low is accepting new users. So if you want to get set up with that, you can click on the link below. And ladies and gentlemen, if you love Binance just like me, and you're already in Binance, click on the link and sign up for the Kucoin. Have backups, because if Binance is down, how are you going to get, you can still keep trading and buying in. So click on the link below, get on Kucoin, get that all situated for you. And once again, like I said, please, 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 just give me a happy birthday. That's all I ask from the community. 500 happy birthdays. But once again, if you want to add me on Twitter, at IMBRoots, Instagram, at IMBRoots, and also Facebook, at IMBRoots. You can add me and get some good pictures, and I have some good photos for my birthday. It'll be entertaining because I'm an entertaining person. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. Once again, give me a shout out with a happy birthday, B Roots. As usual, as I ended off, B Roots is signing out. Thank you for watching.